Hello friends, today's topic markets going down for 3 continuous days. 5 reasons. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. The last 3 trading days, Nifty has fallen by around 2.2% from 24,768 to around 24,200. It has almost come back to the same level seen in November end. The first week of December was very positive. It looked there could be a sustained recovery for markets. However, it could not be sustained. The good correction for markets, the good opportunity for long-term investors to invest some portions of lump sum money. Apart from this, SIP, SCP also would have benefited by the lower prices. Following are the reasons for the market weakness. Number 1, Trump threatens reciprocal tax. Markets reacted negatively to US President-elect Donald Trump reiterating his intention to impose reciprocal tariffs in retaliation for the high tariffs imposed by India on import of certain American products. Yesterday, Trump also said that India and Brazil were among the countries that imposed high tariffs on certain US products. If Trump proposes additional tariffs on Indian goods exported to US, it will be negative for many Indian companies and hence impact the overall export of the country. Trump has also warned against additional tariffs on China, Mexico, etc. Second reason, FII is selling again. The last 2 days, FII sold stocks worth almost 6,700 crores and the corresponding buying by DIIs was only around 2,400 crores. This shows the resumption of bearishness of FIIs in Indian markets. 3. Crucial Federal Reserve announcement today. Yesterday and today, the US Federal Reserve had a meeting regarding decision on interest rates. The announcement will be made tonight on whether and how much they will cut interest rates. The markets are expecting at least 0.25% cut. The concern is that the US Federal Reserve in its statement may signal a pause in the rate cuts in the coming months, which is not positive for markets. Low interest rates are beneficial for economy and stock markets. So if the Federal Reserve indicates or makes an announcement which is perceived to be negative for markets, there could be some more weakness in the global markets. 4. US markets slightly weak. The US Dow Jones Industrial Average Index fell for the 9th straight session yesterday. It was the longest losing streak since February 1978. Rising dollar value has also impacted various Asian markets the last few days. The Indian rupee has been falling since many days. It is at its all-time low at 84.95 rupees. 5. Nifty touched 30 DMA today. Due to the market weakness in the last 3 days, Nifty touched the 30 DMA from the top. This is a bearish indication for markets. It increases the chances of some more weakness in the coming days. The 24,000 psychological mark become very important and we need to see if Nifty can stay above that level. Here is an announcement. ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಫಂಡ್ಗಳಿಂದ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಲಾಭ ಗಳಿಸುವ ವಿಧಾನಗಳು. ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚೆ. YouTube Live for all channel members today 18 December Wednesday at 9:15 p.m. on Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel. End of the video, here is a question. As a country develops the interest rates on bank deposits, there are 3 choices. A increases, B decreases, C stays at the same level. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.